eForMarketWizards.com and eMiniWizard.com. Mining traders use risk capital you can afford to lose. It's about 10 minutes of 29th of March, 2019. We've suggested paid for sure by 37. That was our target. Does not mean we can't go higher, but we thought that was the right place to make sure you're paid. The half gap trade is in play for 28 and a half. Retest is at 29, that first high. So if we get 29 to 28 and a half, my suggestion, good fortune below right now. I think multiple swings are going to be needed. Got news coming out again at 10. Take what you can, what the market gives you. And today we're going to monitor 35, the prior high. I'm expecting chop this first half hour or so. Need to build another base at the very least if you're going to stay here. This is a 15-minute chart. There's a 5 starting to roll over. If this has been perfect, starting to roll over the blue line, but this is not our powered chart. The 15 is the one we use all the time. And even a 30, you want to keep an eye on a 30 as well. This 30 is a nice looking chart. Tells me today this 24 is going to be a pretty important support, and it's going to keep migrating up as the time goes on. There you go. Half gap trade. Lock it. We had the top end. That 37 worked pretty good. And now it stops down. Half gap has been achieved, 28 and a half. And we've got 28.75 middle, 28 and a half, 28.75. This is a nice trade. Anybody that's got this short side, make sure you are paid coming into the 28s. Don't squander it. I said I thought we'd get a two-way day. Here it is. Chasers today. Charlie, who overstayed that 37 target. Sorry, Charlie. Gap I've got back at 21. 21 and a quarter, that area. 21 and a half, I guess. Half gap is hit. We've got news coming out shortly. I think if you've got this trade, you can go play golf already. Don't ever cry and complain because I missed it. I missed it. Look for the next opportunity. That was it. You can see how we're retesting this breakout right here. 1, 2, 3. I had that on one of the charts. Let me see if I can guess it was this one right here. Where I said there's the breakout area. So that's retested. Fantastic. Great trade if you got it. Now, don't be in a rush to do anything. You got the entry you wanted. If you got a trailer, up to you. My suggestion, paid for sure. And then we got 10 o'clock news, and we're going to work around that. And this chart tells me this 25 is a big idea. So far, resistance has held. A lot of time left in the day. 25 and a half. 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 25 and a half We said 18 is our big support, 18 to 22. Let's keep that in mind. Now, I don't know about you, but I don't try to catch every single swing and every single trade. It's pretty tough to do. There's a 5-minute chart. And you can see how we squeezed overnight. So this is all that overnight juice. Not a lot of volume. Easy to throw the ball up a little bit higher like that. And then Charlie Chaser gets hit. I had suggested the NQ was trying to test that 7,400 plus tails. You can see it's done that and then immediately get our pullback. Morning after trend day says you can buy. See if the wind is still blowing. Pre-market, that has worked great. And I think as the day wears on, the shorts are going to get a little bit more energy as longs take some profits. The question is from where? For those of you who love these volume profile charts, here you go. Too early to say the high is in yet for the day. And we saw what happened yesterday with dramatic reversal. Anything goes today. I do think we've come a long way. Primary target that today I said was 37. We get above that, good fortune. So the question now becomes, can we really stall this and come back and start to undermine supports, unravel? And in my opinion, this is the chart that we need to watch right here, because typically this is going to be an important support level first time back. So until this 25.5 breaks, that's aggressive support. And if that breaks, then that opens the door back to that 19 to 18 area. And I think hit and run is probably the best way to play, especially this first hour. All right, news coming out. Anybody that's flattened out usually is what causes this bounce. And I suggest sidelines for the news. Thank you, Zeke. 2 day, Zeke is saying is confirmed because we got the half gap.